Come today in front of me Xiaomi Pad 5 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then tap here on the sound section, and here you'll see the notifications section. Just click here. Now we got selected the droplets. As can you see here, you can change it to the birds, and or also you can click here to the more. And here you can select choose the local ringtone if you got some downloaded files from the internet or just recorded it before, or also here you can select one from these available sounds, and then just for example we'll stay with the moment one. Just here go back and you can see that we just successfully changed our notification sound to the another one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.